Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. Today's video is going to be a few items that I picked up from Kate Spade. If you're interested in seeing what I'm unbagging today, keep on watching. So today guys, everything is about Kate Spade. So before we get started, I want to share the bag of the day. And it is this lovely one here by Coach. I cannot remember the name of this bag, but I just love it. The color is just stunning, guys. Just gorgeous. Nice bag, nice shape, holds a lot. Love this bag, guys. So the second thing, nail polish of the day. This one is called HD Snap. I really don't care for the Revlon brand at all because it's very streaky, as you can see on my nail here after a couple coats, but I really like the color. So let's get started, guys. In the bag, they had put a couple of these samples for the Kate New York fragrance. I really like the smell of this one. Thinking of picking it up. I love the bottle. And the, what's it here? Her Spade. It's just gorgeous. And the smell, oh, I just love that. Something that came in this box. I love her packaging. The pink with the gold and also the green tissue paper. These are my favorite colors together, pink and green. So let's go ahead, guys, and we'll open this one. And it came wrapped like this with the Kate Spade sticker. So guys, this is the first item that I picked up from Kate Spade. It is a beautiful bandeau in the leopard print with this gorgeous, gorgeous hot pink trim all around it. Let me go ahead and open it up. I love the feel of her scarves. And these items that I have are the first ones that I've ever purchased from Kate Spade. And I will be purchasing more. There is the information there, guys, if you can see it. And her Kate Spade tag. I love the feel of it. It is 100% silk. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous item. Cannot wait to use this one. And second one came in this pink box with her sticker there. Go ahead and open up this one. And it came packaged like this. And inside is a couple little dust bags. They are so cute. Look at those guys. The fabric is really nice as well. And this is the first purchase, like I said, of her jewelry items as well. And it is, let me flip it over. It is one of her bracelets with the spade there. I love this mother of pearl kind of detail. I don't think it's real mother of pearl. And here's the information here if you guys are interested. And then these ones I picked up at the outlet mall. Really, really good deals. So let me go ahead, guys. I'm going to put this on. And it goes perfect with my real gold bracelets. Got some nice weight to it. I just love that, guys. So that's the first jewelry item. Second one came in this pouch here. As you can see, it is another bracelet. I just love it. This is white with the spades on it. So it'll go perfect with the one that I have. There's the information there, guys. Let me go ahead and put this one on. There we go. And they just pair up so nicely. Look at that. great for summertime. Like I said, goes really nice with my gold jewelry. Get this one out of the way. So guys, here is the second one in the same size box. And it comes wrapped like this. Oh, I just love the color of this one. Look at this one, guys. It's so vibrant, just in time for summertime. This is another scarf. These are 100% silk. You go ahead and open this one up. This is a larger one, as you can see. But look at the colors, guys, with the Kate Spade there on the bottom corner with the big flowers. I really like the stripe detail there. It is just stunning. I love it. Here's the information if any of you are interested in that at all. But really nice quality. Look at that. I just love it, guys. So guys, it would go perfect with what I'm wearing right now. Of course, it's not on the right way, but it is just stunning, guys. So guys, the next item I have to share with you came in this larger bag. And it came wrapped in this beautiful green tissue paper. So guys, this is the item. It is the Kate Spade Cosmetic Pouch or Cosmetic Case. It is just stunning. The camera is not doing it justice because it is all glitter. This one is in the color rose gold. It did come in other colors such as black, silver, burgundy, and there was one more. I can't remember what it was, but the camera does not do it justice, guys. It is just stunning. Here is the information. These ones I picked up at the outlet, so I'm not quite sure if they still have these. But let's go ahead and look in the inside. Does have the Kate Spade there. Large opening and very durable, wipeable lining. So you can fit a lot of things in here, guys. And it does have the gold tone hardware there on it. So the other item I picked up, and wrapped like this as well. This one came in this beautiful silver glittered box. I like these boxes. You can keep them and use them for different things. Here is the information on the back. If you're interested, guys, these are all in Canadian dollars. Let me go ahead and open it to reveal this beautiful card holder in the gold. Like I said, it also came in matching colors with these gorgeous pouches. Like I said, silver, black, gold, burgundy. There's one more I just cannot remember. Let me take it out. Look at this card case, guys, with a Kate Spade there, and it can accommodate 3 cards on the front, 3 cards on the back, and also cards and things that are on the inside. So I did get them to go together in case I wanted to use it as a clutch. It would be perfect at Christmas time, New Year's, or even a nice summer wedding. So I got those guys. So the last thing I got is a pair of shoes. Came in this beautiful box with this really nice ribbon. Let me go ahead and open it up. And the ribbon is really cool. It's raised up with all of her spades on it. Really, really nice. I keep the ribbon. I use them for other things. But here we go, guys. This is the shoes. These ones here I have been waiting for a very long time to get. Every time I go on to the website and try and get them, they are always sold out. So I'm so happy that I was able to get these ones. Look at them, guys. And these ones are called the Kate Spade Taxi. I just love these. Let me go ahead and get the other one out. Take out the stuffing. So these are my first pair of Kate Spade shoes as well. There they are, guys. Are they not gorgeous? Let me just take one down, give you a closer look. They do have the pointed toe. They are, I believe, in patent leather. Look at the wheels on there to mimic the New York taxi cab. I really like all the detail that they have here. And the inside is all leather. It says Kate Spade. And it's quite cushiony. It's not too bad. Does have a very, very tiny heel. Great for walking. Lots of stability. You're not going to trip or fall. There is the bottom. And I was told to get these in half a size larger. But I'm finding that these ones are true to size. I take a size 6. And I have a wide foot. And they still are accommodating to me. But they may be different for you. But that is my gorgeous shoes. I just love them. I cannot wait to wear these in the summertime. I do have my eye on another pair like this that are in the silver sequins. Same style and everything, just a silver glitter, as well as I do have one in, it kind of looks like a Chanel fabric. I'm thinking about that one as well. Some of their ready to wear is just stunning, guys. So here's a closer look. What do you think, guys, of the shoes? So there, guys, this is my Kate Spade haul for today. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. I do have a giveaway coming up when I reach 500 subscribers. So I hope you have an amazing day, stay safe, and remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Till next time, guys. Take care.